So guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys kind of a behind the scenes kind of thing of how I made my music video. Just a second, let me turn that down. See if that's better. There we go. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my music video and how you can make your own music video for free. You can make any free music video, plus there's a whole lot of beats you can use for free on this one app. You can download it in the App Store or Google Play, or in the Google Play Store, I think. It's not. They didn't sponsor this video, but I'm just giving them a shout out just for creating the app, just so we can, kind of, so I can make a music video. So yeah. So yeah, yep, it is a. Yep, I just had an itch on my leg. Yep, it is available on the App Store. It is available on the App Store. It's called Voloco. Okay, if you put this in the App Store or Google Play Store, it's VOLOCO. Voloco. So yeah, that's how I make all my music videos. That's how I've made every single one of them since I started doing that. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can make your own music video using the app. So yeah, first you open up the app. Okay, open up the app. Then you're gonna get this screen. You just want to push. There's a little X right here. You'd push that. It just says, do you want to sign up for a free trial? No, you don't. And then you're going to get this screen right here. It's going to have a bunch of top tracks, vocal beats. And then you're going to push the little gear button right up here. Okay? Of course I'm already on my account, but if you weren't, you'd scroll down until you seen log in or sign up, one of them two. Then you would just log in with your email. Then you could just log in with your email instead of making an account. Makes it a little bit easier, which is what I am doing. So you're gonna get these three buttons down here. This little house, plus, and then this one. This one with the music note, and then the three lines right here. Is going to show you your recordings and your favorite beats. My recordings is obviously my 2 music videos that I've made. My third one, for some reason, got deleted, but whatever. So yeah, I have 2. It's the one I made, Baddest Savage and Chandrat's diss track. This is the beat. This is the one where I did rolling up in my whip or something. Yeah, the music video. I just roll up in my whip, yeah, I roll up in my whip. I be going to the school, pulling up in my whip. So yeah, that's that music video. So yeah. And then, but if you want to make a music video, okay, you can go to your favorite beats. You'd have to make them your favorite, so what you do is basically you can go to any beat. Say I pick that one, you can either, okay, say I pick this one, I don't know why, but say for an example, you'd push that little heart right there to add it to your favorites, and then you can push, or you could just push select if you just want to use that. You can use any of their free beats, but let me use that. And then if you don't have headphones in, it's basically a little bit like GarageBand, but there's no instruments. It's basically just the microphone and the beats and whatnot. So you'd push select. Okay, you'd push select, and then basically at first you'd get a prompt that said, please use headphones or something. You'd get a prompt that would say, please plug in headphones or something, and then you'd push, okay, I will. These are the headphones I use. Nothing fancy, just my gaming headphones. Then, to make it sound better, to make the audio sound better, I use this piece right here. This little piece, it's a connector. This is what I would plug into my phone, right here, to make the audio sound better, because if I just plug it in just from the headphones, it sounds all screechy and whatnot. So this just makes it sound a little bit better. Plus it turns on the surround sound. And then I just plug it in, and then I put my headphones on. So yeah, and then if you can't hear your voice echo, basically, you push the blue button right here with the speaker. So yeah. If you don't hear yourself at first, turn your volume up on your device or your headphones if you can. But you push that. If it's like this and you can't hear your voice, just do this, and boom. And now I can hear my voice. So yeah. This is Sean Jarrett's diss track. You bitch, you don't need no money, you don't need a job, you don't need a girlfriend, yeah. See, I can hear him, and then I can turn this up. So yeah. And yeah, that's basically, like, I have the lyrics to, obviously, I had the lyrics, and you can also write lyrics. Like, you can also write lyrics. So these are the lyrics for my Sean Jarrett's diss track. So so you can write your own lyrics, so then you can you don't have to leave that page, because what I did, so what I did at first is, I basically wrote, I know it's hard to read, because obviously you can't read it, but I wrote on here, just like that. So these are all the lyrics. So yeah, but I wrote them all down in the app too. So you can write them all in the app, and yeah. Like here, I'll do a demonstration of I'll do a demonstration of me using it. So yeah. Boom. Yes, Sean, this is a diss track. Fuck you, Sean. You bitch, you don't need no money, you don't need a job, you don't gotta pay no taxes, you don't have to pay no bills, you don't need no money, you got more followers on Instagram, you got more subscribers on YouTube, but you're only there for the attention and views. You don't give a shit about your fans. You're just trying to be a baller. But yeah, basically that's a little bit of demonstration. And yeah, actually, I think I can. Yo, what's up? All right. Actually, yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Actually, let me turn the volume of the device up, so then hopefully you guys can hear me. So yeah, what's up, guys? Hopefully you guys could hear me, but if not, that's okay. I just want to make a video to show you guys how I did it, and yeah. So yeah, and you can also do video mode. You also have a video mode section, kind of thing. So yeah. So yeah. Look at that, you can barely see me because of the trees and the lighting. See, look, there I am. Hey guys. What's up, guys? Boom. So yeah. See, and yeah. So yeah, that's basically how I made it. Thanks for the tips, and yeah. And this app is free, and yeah, go download it. Voloco, VOLOCO. It's pretty sick, and yeah, you'll have a lot of fun with it.